All right, the long awaited here and excited from Arizona. Evolution Powersports here. We ordered the Pro R exhaust. So we're just gonna do a little unboxing here and check it out. Right away we have the old, okay, I already peeked in here a little bit. Confessing there. Got a little bit of paperwork. Gonna have a whole lot of shipping and packaging, crazy stuff. Just kind of toss that down there. More. So everything seems packaged really good. Protect all the parts. Foam wrapped and all that kind of stuff. See if I can pull things out without wrecking everything. That'd always be good. Looks like we got the blue flame tips right there. Pull those beauties out. Look at those. Hell yeah. Those are gonna look good on there. Oh man. Especially with the blue metallic in there already. So we got a couple of those. That pretty much does that. Nothing else in there? Nope. Recycling she goes. A little more packaging. The big exhaust right there. That looks like about it as far as that goes. One more box here. Rush. What's in there? I do not know. Is it just for packaging? Is there something in there? A free t-shirt? An invoice? It's yeah. Well, beats an invoice. So, last but least, we got this big sucker here that has some weight to it. Yes, very much so. I wonder if the plate is underneath it. Well, it's already assembled. Look. Ooh, yeah. So we'll get this unwrapped and check it out a little more in a second here. Again, packaging. I'm not getting tricked into this one. No, thank you. Well, maybe that's the invoice. No, it's already taken care of that. So I'm gonna just unwrap this here because it's kind of boring to watch that go down and unwrap this one. Lay it out a little bit, take a little peek at it, and get this one ready for the next video, which will be the installation of this exhaust system, as well as, of course, we got to test it out, but I don't want to test it out until I get some good footage of this stock so we can place it up against the new exhaust and compare the sounds and the looks and everything. It's always awesome to see them side by side, one after another. All right, so I got the rest of the wrapping off. Literally seconds to get this all unwrapped, but lots of nice branding on here. Got her there. Okay, and we're back. We got this all unwrapped. Looks pretty straightforward. So let's do a little footage around there. So I went with the blue tips there to go with the blue metallic on the Pro R. So comes with the aluminum gasket, flat black can. The mounts look pretty straightforward there. Shouldn't take long at all to install. So the back look of the Pro R will be quite a bit different because we'll be removing that plastic piece and the exhaust, and it will go from that look to this look, well, with the tips on, of course. So we just temporarily slide those on. If I can do this without the whole thing falling. Let's pause and I'll do it. All right, there we go. So yes, you're gonna go from looking like that to basically looking like that. Very nice. I wonder how these colors will hold up in the long run. Be interesting. Pretty cool if they hold up, that's for sure. So there she is. Not gonna spoil this video with the startup, install, and sound yet, but I will be following it up with those 2 videos and the test versus stock, so you guys can hear the different volumes and whatnot. And then I'll get feedback too, what it sounds like in the cab versus stock as well. If it seems more unbearably louder or if it sounds more awesome, we'll see. So yeah, that look will be gone. That look's coming in.